A pretty warm day across East Texas today. I'm not saying hot, but it did get pretty warm in the afternoon.
Yes, it really did. One shy of the record high temperature, Isaac.
Really?
Tyler. Yeah.
We got close then.
Yeah, we got close. We got close yesterday. We actually broke the record on Saturday, and today we were 1 degree off. Let me show you the high temperature. 88 degrees was the high. Now the record, that would be 89 set back in 1938. The morning low was 66, and of course the average is 52, so we are well above average, and it's just been that type of month across East Texas. Now, as we look at the October high temperatures chart, I've updated it to include today, and look at this. Since the 17th of the month, we have seen all above normal temperatures. We often get in these wild temperature swings here in East Texas, but in October, not so much. Now, November may bring something different. We'll just have to wait and see, but it does look like temperatures will be in the 70s and 80s over the next several days, so there really aren't any wild temperature swings in the forecast. But if you're not a fan of the heat, I know I'm not. We do have a bit of relief in sight with those highs in the 70s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So some good news there. Not going to be a powerful front, but it's going to be a front nonetheless, and that front will provide lift for some showers and thunderstorms. We need two more ingredients. One I just talked about were those warm temperatures. That provides energy in the atmosphere, and the other one is the Gulf moisture. So we've got Gulf moisture beginning to stream in from the southeast, and because of that, we are just waiting for the front to really lift all that moisture up so we can get some rain. And we do have our next weather maker, which will be making its rounds across the western half of the U.S. over the next 24 hours before it arrives here in East Texas by Wednesday night. As a matter of fact, it will bring with it the potential at some gusty winds and some small hail. Portions of Hopkins, Franklin, and Titus County under a slight risk of severe weather Wednesday night, Thursday, while further to the south and to the southeast, we do have a level 1 marginal risk. Now the marginal risk, yeah, we could see some gusty winds, but overall it's not going to be a very high severe weather threat. So we're going to start out Futurecast here right now, and as we look at tomorrow, not a lot going on. Don't have a lot to show you tomorrow. A few passing clouds, that's about it. Maybe a little bit of drizzle Wednesday morning, but overall I think most of Wednesday will be dry until we get to Wednesday night. That's when the front will be moving in from the northwest. You can see areas of showers and thunderstorms forming. It moves in, the coverage expands, and we've got showers and thunderstorms from Linden through Anderson County. Again, along the leading edge of this front here, we could see some gusty winds. We could see some heavy rain, maybe some pocket changed hail. Now this is going to move to the south and to the southeast, so by Thursday night or Halloween night, we should begin to dry out before we see more rain possibly on Friday. How much rain are we talking about? Well, one thing I can say is 1 to 3 inches for our central and northern counties, perhaps 1 to 2 inches for deep East Texas. So this will be the most significant rain we've seen here in quite a while across East Texas. And as I mentioned for Halloween evening, I do think most of the showers will be to the south and temperatures will be in the 60s. So a bit of good news for the kiddos that are heading out trick-or-treating. More rain chances on the way, not only for this weekend, but early next week. And as I mentioned before, high temperatures will behave a little more with highs in the 70s. No records are going to be broken or anything like that. And deep East Texas, more of the same. About an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms, which will happen probably in the first part of the day Thursday. Isaac.
Thank you, Carson. Coming up.